Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gist. Apropos anything with all concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
You see why now, of course, they always go back to now. This is the reason why your swear always go back to you people. Very manipulative. Kate, it's time away. You know where? You see that Kate started doing evil even before she entered. Salobua, Obama Metua. And then Muna Baba. A presenter no he lay you to a fake voice. No ya bully anybody with social media. Presenter anyway. A befa no one Kate or Yarwa and the Nomuna. We need Jesus Christ no mafa. Whether a man the presenter be you, now who might be, if they hide under fake account and voice to bully people. A befa no one Kate or Yarwa Baba ni Baba. We need Jesus Christ no mafa. A befa no one Kate, if Fana Mutina, no one Kate. So Kate, you see that Sarah was right about everything she said about you. She said everything the way it is. Sarah went to the point on Nelegba. Away to so you cry inside about the weight of people. I'm not judging or siding anybody. Kate, I have a question for you. A live video now, we got a live video now, watch a live video presenter before. Were you using your eyes to watch their characters individually? We gotta watch them in here. Because audio you are not a baby on social media. You have been watching social media and you know the characters of everybody on social media. So we were begging all these characters. And I have setting Luwe. Somebody who is seeing me right now to say, oh man, no him. But but I have anger issues. Yes. If I don't like you, and I will never like you. I will discuss it. But I will spill it the way it is. I don't care whether you like me or not. It's your business and not my business. That is your headache and not my headache. So you were seeing the character of all the presenters. So when I live video again, the presenters are performing news and see, including the normal Luwe. You didn't see the character of everyone. 43 years old woman. Ana ya Luwe. Ana ya Viema we. And you came out and say, "Wohiando temata," whereas woman Luwe bututo, matemata. So when my social media we came up you know yaya the social media kitty. No verbo when I no my verbo. What about the one where you not even expose where other people don't know? Who said this is the only one that you are doing? What about the things you are doing to the friends that you know before that they don't even know? Never say when in my what about the ones no diamond illegal way? Ian Gwale no sunu dayan. Ian mamio toy for how many years? But who are reke neanji? E ke to send a lena. So ever we came mukmo you know ya beg over social media. So people are not saying, oh, we beg me no sunu na oh. I came out on social media to cry one day say, oh, you know gume gun aya gume hon. This same woman of Royal Apology now came out to say, a character men no, or see no man mukmo you know ya gumekwa, or see no man award you maybe we baby. You were tired. It's an Royal Apology vena. When my way, you did the video to me because it can one offend on my wife. Can offend wa. You did the video to me to tell me where a character no see no man with video me about what baby. So it is not your character, Neketi Bege, that makes kids to come and attack you. No. No. So, Kate, are you telling me you are this dumb? A dumb being not what we were. So, man said, what we are there at the time away, or at the Viema, where you are bomb without umane character or woman. Lies. Big lie on social media. What told it be? Big lie. Non-existing lie. Big lie. Capital lie. Omar Okpama gave one Kate. You was acting on the hate you have. Yes. Because you follow social media saga from Genesis to Revelation. You was following on the presenter. You follow Lolo. You follow her friend. You follow everyone on social media. Damanowe giwe gime. Damanowe nudoria me ukopo. Wagiwe gijori. Kate, who sent you to Ijori? Who sent you to Rita? Domano get where women do where imuigo be or ni day ni la yemina ni renige iwe. I listened to your audio, you was always talking about money. The only thing you attack it was money. Then ya me I go away or we topic in here. And that money is still your cry today. And you go no concern in the social media we vie. Audio who went on Ladiana. This your audio way come as so Kate. It's money. Everything is about money right from day one. Your journey on social media before you started bullying everyone on social media. It's money. Your cry has been money. Not even for power or position. A vigo we wa viele that way. And we fair according to you may go be. You are a rich woman. Keti bege umaye presenter before ke vie go on where apology na we na we erio miago you was inside your house when you was crying for her money. This audio prove it. I don't have the audio. If you not get the audio, me una send it into my WhatsApp. I want to analyze that audio. Big lie from the pit of hell. You are acting on the hate you have. Nobody send you message. That one I can stand in the front of Almighty God and say it. You are the one that is looking for friendship. Who got a friendship because or presenter. You are a liar. You are a big liar. Nobody send you message. What a conspiracy of the highest order. Conspiracy against Lolo. Why? Why can't you admit it to be presenter when now you want to be on social media and you also want to be talking? You like that thing that woman is doing and you want to do it. You cannot admit it without dragging the name of another person to mud. You are a liar. Oh boy, you lie too much. You are a lying beast. You are a lying beast. You are a Confucianist. You talk a big kid. So then we're working with Baseni, 43 years old woman. You are telling me that everything. Oh, a party pa di monfin umwe ba yari. O ma be giveaway. A giveaway who too sent you that one. A giveaway no like hook up me. No hagi mi go gbe o heke ni de. A giveaway Kate. A giveaway no hagi jodo no yaki go le li jodo no ya mo yere gboto. A be giveaway lolo be giveaway ni. Oh. Kate. Your boy me dare no make na to. Your boy me dare no to. Who can offend anybody? You are a liar. Remove the name of other people. They will hear gay because who they were those ones. They were mighty. They know the way to handle you and bring you down. Una check. Una look at the weakest vessel. You want to hang your evil on top of another weakest person. Kate, Why ti mu dia yo da wo saloba wo da wo Jesu. Where a lot of boy le phone number where at you when we do help here. Can you say it? If you are not a liar, no boy. Can you say it? Abi wo gwa lo ere towards your head because a presenter or a man you want to be there like every other person. Oh, why are you lying? Why are you manipulative? Kate, it's time away. You know what boss one with live videos about here for the all your evil. You know how he's going to do it. You're going to get refuge under the worst enemy that you have. E kian we no polo se why lay you to toy. E just allow boy mo ma gboto. O kian ye we gboto yin. O make sure who are to enemy we that one you find the peace. That's the work of God. No other person. And no other person must say, Rita, you also never. I love live video and I came on live video. Every problem I have with every live video presenter is a personal issue. Personal issue, straight. You find my trouble, you talk to me like you talk to baby. I talk to you anyhow. Because you cannot bring me down. Because I come to live video to come and do my job. Who are you? To want to talk me down, to want to make me bow to you. Who your God? No, I don't accept it. You accept I am more buto. No yacha ni to tie your man. Never. A live video to you get a. Anybody who feel like coming to live video, do your work. Show your talent. And don't you allow anybody to sit on top of your head. It's not it's impossible. Kate, you are a bloody liar from the pit of hell. May God forgive your soul. May God forgive your betrayer soul. You are a bloody liar. Even when you was looking for, you want to grow, you said it in your live video many times. Kate. Yes, she's not a weaker vessel, but what kind of lie is this from the pit of hell? What kind of stupid lie is this? Kate. The first person not so be wala we left it after what bedo here ni or what machine way or what ma see what ma be pushing I mean no wagi dey setting who without mama luwa what you really am one and another shame. Everything one they do na person they send una. Everything one they do o ma gba giwa ni here eni ya no wai wa wo o ma gba giwa ade mi opa no gba be to bo gba be won jo won. Hey! E omomo we here. Rundo ge sera la dia ha wo manipulate yen lui when no ho ba. O ho ba be nuje when na we ta be luwe keti. Ket why ti mwe bola dia mvon your way before we kesu an wa be audio no we ga unu we na amukunju nu ni. Why ti tag we watch a live video presenter so ma follow yan. Emi ni yan o me so ma mu wo personally. Why it matter? Why if you boy a born von? Who when ni yan or maybe any mere man na I don't pa beg character mama like e o mu akwa we and challenge me or challenge me na defeat any or we present ave ogi. What's your problem on live video? There's no problem wa me ti wa bi bieka ni ma me mi ropa na bi ho ba na be ha wo ke bi bieka ma hin ya be awe we understand abi ho ba be ngwa wa be je Kate, imatama we get ndi we or sike we gbi. Itama we Kate. Ina wo man saloboa, emi nu je ye keko. Okhoni wa we are wori ye we gboto. O saloboa pa ma enti daji no man enti degbirato. O man do saloboa ju degbirato because e manu lele 20 boya ya 20 we me ye poleli ya 20. Why I degwowa? Because e bo wa ya lo. Why I degwowa? Kate, o we mwe gbe ade la video no we ado ya ziba. Egeni na analyze video we ni na kama wewe. O mwe gbe live video no ado ya ziba and o my la obuke mu pon you know. Ya ariye message in different people. The thing don't they hungry you. Na cause away people where they curse me for darkness. I know they regard them as anybody. Il regarde wa, il me respecte nous wa. Because il me respecte nous wa ma bon. Il regarde wa to be anybody. On ma dan wa him. Kate, this is a question to you now. Can you say we were watching live video before Eminana ya kesi you know? Weke do web the audio we uni. A presenter we temu na why ti vem boy o carry saloba wo we mu we ne personally on your own. Umame personal grudge with her because of me no ya after table o we mamuwe because of a topic in ogari enebo o we mamuwe because of oppression ogari enebo o we mamuwe. Kate why ti your boy we no saloba ya biewe. No vio boy ya we no von. No ve ya we de no muna we saloboa rio boy ya we wo abia no yore. Wuma gele amowe without a mama gear we personally we work with mama wo panuga amune. Why are you people like this? You see the reason why me, I not feel listen to people past 2 minutes. I get away from them because lies, conspiracy and lies too much. Why I even boy your kids? Uwe before we ke do we ni we ga una nuna mukmo you no ya ye message in a different presenter. Why I even boy your win your packet kan e we mu e mo you no ya gugun. Egani ya was yo na kokwa ko mari mo you no ya gun ya ivagun because em nu waka u ne waka u. Can you swear? They will not see no man do a low to start with. Most no man do man can we under the low self. How do a person start using you? Common interest or your man woman. When you both have what they call common interest. When your interest is the same interest of the other person. Or your man woman. If you have a common interest with a person, your mommy you have common interest. Then imagine live video nania. I'm just 2 years on live video. I'm seeing presenters who doesn't want me to grow. They don't want me to go anywhere. They are afraid of my growth. They want to bring me down. I'm seeing all of them. And this kind of person will come and be telling me to apologize to her. Who is that idiot? That is not guilty of doing evil to me. Who? Who tried to bring me down for the past 2 years? Use different kind of people to bully my life. Who? Who is that person that is free from this thing? Who? Kate, Unido Saloboa. When you finish this phase of your life, you see this challenge where you did so. This one is a pure evidence to say, yes. This is a pure evidence that you need God in your life. Yes. The only person in good sincerity no gele need Kate no stand by you no deliver way is God. We have the better at all. You know where I know. That's why a video you know all these years. I always tell you to say you are too dull. A popularity has so but this has been my ways. I know that you cannot use it. I weigh your brain already. Tim when the way is K now weigh. In more the way is K in a way. I know where popularity will get to you because you want it to get to you by shocking people, no matter shocking way. But I also know where a popularity near so but you cannot use it because this is the time you are supposed to use it, and you fall, and that is your end. You think it's not your end? You have fallen, my dear. Don't think about it. Who dig me at all? Yes. You know why? Admitting you're wrong doesn't make you fall. No. Apologizing to a person you wrong, it doesn't make you fall. No. But it makes you fall. Yes. Admitting you're wrong doesn't make you fall. Apologizing to the person you wrong, it doesn't make you fall. But what makes you fall. And don't you even know what now? U ton vun ya gouvun. Ou ye wona voma no yo sa. Wa hia ya sa no ya momu sa be egbe ya e. O kin we do tana Kate. Believe me. U momu sa. Unwe uri yo sa ne. No aya ko ha mama no yo sa we zin egbe ni ya hun igo ni do ya wo sa. Ije. Ima oni nigi momu sa ya sa. Una hia na ya momu sa una ya sa Kate. There's God somewhere that washes the movement of everyone. I tell you, if one man there's God somewhere no money. Yes. There's God somewhere that fight for the weakest person in this life. Or when I me woman you weak se butagmona. Usalo boare kete no minane gun here. O ma dan kit. Even we do gwe of your hanekere with totu wet buji. We no hoba or wona. So my talking to you this night is not about you confessing your sins or apologizing to anybody. No. I know you are going to come to this level. And what do you know there? I was pushing this apology. What do you know they got do you know how I apologize because I know you are close to it. Yes. I know you are going to do it. And they on a packet. You have a told in my way. Every day, they sat down in my way. I always tell you, and it come to pass. I continue to repeat. All they no decades, or you get a bear. Another one. Not on top of this person, but on top of another person. You are an evil woman. You have been an evil person for a very long time. And we talk we tell matter. Vous êtes lady avec vous lady avec vous lady avec vous oria we nous avec vous pa mai nwina ana kan wo bom aban una temo ya didagbo your jealousy is too obvious but for where obvious it be and your concern even before kill a live video has been money igwo why problem you work it igwo ne ma be mi okono mari e bank account la dia ana filigo ya no ru tagmo na yo e dem no a problem you we. Or you don't want to see another person prosper except you. You don't want to see another person prosper, and it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Let me tell you the spirit on live video. Because it's obvious that you're on live video, you don't even know what is going on here. Live video is about the strongest and the fittest. It's not about truth. There's no truth here. That's one thing you need to know. Take it or leave it. Emma tire live video. Ko weno gwa ke no dami ho. Emma tire live video. Ke no gme ke no ho. Emma tire live video. People are supporting who they love. Finish. When people love you, they support you and your sin. Iriya we the live video now. That's the truth of the matter. Even when they know that that person is wrong, they support you and your sins. There's no truth on live video. The truth on live video, no one will ever bring it out. When it favors them, it becomes good. And when it doesn't favor them, it becomes evil. This is social media business for you. Us, you know, the social media now. When it favors you, it's good. When it doesn't favor you, it's evil. The bitter truth. Kate, a live video business way to do you in a summit the ranger because you are evil. Believe me or not. Take it or leave it. That's the way it is. Anybody who has advised you against it, oh no, why you come where so that no me and him poppy for life. Nobody should be your master on live video. When you have a master already on live video, you are not going anywhere. Never. Because this is actually what some people want to make you to be. They want to bring you down so that they can control you. Yes. So that the things they can talk into a public issue yes. This is what they want to do. Wa beg issue with live video, wa beg you hang go with your better total. Yes. You are too childish. I read your brain. I know. That's why every day I always continue to tell you when even no sooner that when I him who wait to joke or now sooner that who wait to joke because there's nothing in your head. You don't have brains. You don't have brains. You are too childish. We even have one money here. Women, when you no sooner that we're there now, that's a lost battle in English language. Yes. And let me repeat. Did you know why you lost the battle? You lost it not because you confess your sins, not because you apologize, but because you borrow to pay debt. That is why you lost your battle. You borrow another debt to pay another debt, and you are owing debt somewhere. And most of why you surrender a live video. You normally borrow to pay. You want to pay your debts, you borrow from somewhere, you go and pay your debts. Even where we were kids. You borrow to pay a debt, and you still have a debt on live video. And you know what that debt is. Woman, pay a debt in you will never be free from the problem of live video. Take it or leave it, no matter the backup you're going to have. No matter the support you are going to have from anyone. To borrow saya have a kit. We must have a live video to pay. That's the truth. It doesn't matter whether you apologize to anyone or nobody. You borrow to pay. Because only you, down in your heart, you know the deepest truth. And the truth lies in you. And you know it. And you know that you have a personal hatred for these presenters on live video. Not only the person you apologize today. No. You have hatred for this one. You have hatred for this one. Again, una like uga ame hatred ni ya iva because uma like karate nya keke activities nya me live video. Uma like be ni ya bully evo. Oni you matter no way kids. Stand up to your feet and be straightforward. So that you can have support in the live video. Why are you lying and blabbing around? You hate this one, you hate that one. Not because of my because watching a live video, you don't like what they did when they were friends together. Oh, no, Ramue. And you came out when you started, Kate. I remember for you to say, I want to be beating two of them together. I don't want to beat one because they do one together. That is how you started. This were your ways. Do you want me to go and remind you? I'll bring many of your audio. See, do you remind you your past, Kate? The truth of the matter is that when you apologize to some people, they will forgive you, but they are not God. They gave you forgiveness based on their personal human being. You still need God to forgive you because you borrowed debt to pay another debt. You know you are owing debt somewhere. In within you and your spirit, and you knows it. You are a liar. Again, una la video. Uwu washing ya iva. Uwono na. Uwe nokpa. Kate. These were your ways. You was fighting the both of them. Later, una because Osewe was a friend to one, and you decided to support now to be supporting one person because Osewe was not a friend of that person. But the truth still remains and stand that you wanted to be popular on live video. Oma give you the open doors. That is where your fight started with her. Even if fight one swing, you know you have her secret, she have your own. Una swanya, and started with you. Kate, it didn't start from anywhere. Exposing your secret started from you. What's one secret to one at all? Oh my baby. Yagbwegbe started from you, Kate. Ajeke nu wana de. Osaba meke na de ba wa gbinu wa. Yagbwegbe. Mi no re mani me ga amonda de mi no na agbe wa bana. Every day yagbwegbe. There's something in between. When me tell me me there yonya yagbwegbe. Me tell me when mamu we gbina say yagbwegbe ni me egu we gwan say we yagbwegbe. Ah, who is giving this woman this confidence? Imagine who got name your panel boy no one don't have a public no guy confidence way. And we marry one way. Kate, my question is, they will not bring wife together. Common interest. Don't put it only on her. You are a liar. Common interest. Or my problem with OCOA. When now they have a problem with OCOA. Why are you lying? I'm not about my use you, Kate. Nobody use you. You are just a liar. But a friendship in my favor way, that's your problem. I'm not about my use you. No one use you. You know what you was doing. You just wanted to be talking on live video. You wanted to just be talking like every other person. That's why you came to live video. Why are you lying? Kate, did you know what you did to yourself? We are borrowed congratulations to you. But you are just borrowed. You just succeeded in borrowing another debt from World Bank. Congratulations. And you are welcome into another set of debt. Yes. That is what you did. Other people might not admit it because they are happy that you apologize to them. But the truth of the matter is that, yes, they deserve the apology because you did wrong to them. I'm not saying you did wrong. Yes, Meje na huwa no mari apology na wa ka here no ba hu wa so yo sore gbe no mani hu wa mo bogbe not let him because of mari apology no enjoy your apology e madam na apology na but the truth remains iketi hasan mo ma ha go mari and you cannot contest that oya momo mari osado ya awosa because he wants to make you happy. That's the truth. Because she wants to be free and she wants to get your support. Nothing else. It's all about support. Because so time we ain't been saying, then it may been 20 tig me now. Because who do wa me do wa we? Or when it been away guy 3,000 tig me now as far as ma can mugu we. Or we ain't been saying, or waiting you only concentrate your pa. So Kate apology is under duress. I knew she was going to give it. It's under duress. She wants to concentrate. But know it, my sister. You are welcome to another debt. So that you can get support. Maybe support, but they will never give you support to pay this debt. Never. That debt will continue to be there. And you know it. Only the truth will take you out of it. Admit your wrongs. Admit your wrongs. Your apology was good. The person you gave it to love, she was happy. That's everything she ever wanted on live video is that apology, nothing else. Everything she ever wanted from anyone on live video, including me, including a person who didn't even offend her, is apology. And you know it. Including the people she offended, is apology. Even when she cannot even do it. Thank you for doing it for her, satisfying her greedy mind. Thank you for satisfying her pained soul. To put joy in her mind. But you borrowed debt to pay another debt, Kate. That's what you did. We are momosaya asanoruto. Akawosa yekin. My layo sare will live with you. Because the only thing that will set you free from that debt is true. The truth it might set you free. The truth to nuta, yes. Because I saw you talking on that voice audio. I know that there's a conspiracy on that. I know that they hate the mind for that person. So they not say Osaba disgrace we do kale you we koko ya gbema. Imatama we go be na zenke loho we. Kale ye koko gbema. Abu wani wa ba be na ge kiye na. Abu wani wa gulu na be na guna. I know how you people behave. Kate, let me tell you. If you think you get support to find somebody like me and Rita, somebody like me when they Rita, but think Jesus no give the nomuna, you are lying. You are going to be tired. Your support is a slavery support. You are going to be a slave. Never. Because to start with, you can conspire and anybody no can wait conspiracy with fall. I don't do conspiracy with anybody. But unfortunately, that is how people see me on social media. Because I am doing what I'm doing. If I have any presenter in a problem with, I have a personal issue with you. If you want to be truthful to God who made you, you know my problem with you. Clean it and don't attach it to another person. Don't lie to yourself to say maybe tell yourself the truth and be free. You know my problem with you. You have a personal problem with me and you know it. My problem with you has nothing to do with anybody. Strictly with you. You brought me to live video when I have a personal issue with you inside the house and you took me to live video. Una yame we live video. Only a problem in my way. You want to be lying against me to say you are fighting for this, you are fighting for that. No. But I refuse to be a puppy of you or anyone. For what? For what reason? So, Kate, I know you are going to fall. Yeah, what day? And even where 11 years push you to, or anyone can push you to before Kate day for anything. So that you will eat your vomit. Or you vomit away. Liars. Personal interest. Liars.
Ana woda fun odo bibi no. Odo bibi o ma ti go o kan gwan. Abrusi no via jala. Odo bibi no. Odo bibi no. Ame yeye o Monica na tuwari. Ame yeye atuari ne dupolo. Na yo bosi ka ni borowe igbe. Mama na kaume ihiwo mani.
Kate, what mama na kauwe uwo mani. Omo no we apologize ni mutana. They no kauwe. They will make kauwe. Why ti temata masalo boa. Vi mi kauwe Kate. Esera wo wa weje. Buke mwe me ginye. Do discuss give me go be live video. Igu onuri ya ewa. Ogwo wa weje be kwemwe mi jore ginye. Owo wa weje buke mweme lolo ginye. If we mama no we yari apology na ve na. Owo wa weje buke mweme ya ginya. Odame no Kate. So all those mouths you were making on live video, they were just mouth. You was busy mouthing for no reason. Why me boye defeat her? Why me boye defeat her? This is the meaning of defeat. If you don't know the meaning of defeat, on a defeat or not defeating it.
Okay, my correct people. I hope una don't watch this video. I hope una see what TV talk for inside. Me no be like say na me come bring the video. Na me come see the analyzer. I beg me una leave us comment for down of this video. Tell us how you see this video. And please, I make una not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. And we go see you now for our next video. And bye-bye.